Guys, this is another one of my videos. I'm going to be making one about my little tornado machine and how to make one. First, I'll show you what it looks like. See that? See it in there? A tornado. See it? Okay. So this can only work if you flip it upside down. It doesn't work like this. See, it don't do anything. Just a clear white bottle. But how to make it is take any clear bottle, like I did, a water bottle, tear off any substance, the paper or anything right here. I already did. And put water in it. Here, 1 second. Put about 2/3 in it. Put water in it till about here. And then put some soap in it and shake it. And then turn it upside down. And then you got a tornado machine. It's really simple. Make another one about my other tornado machine that my dad made me over there. I'll make another video about it soon. So I'll see you all later.